Hi, we are here at Pinecrest Virtual Academy in Second Life. My name is Betzy Silversmith, and in First Life, it's Betty Klug. In the virtual world, classrooms can be held anywhere and in unique casual settings. Today, I'm going to take you on a tour of a few Second Life classrooms to present possible alternatives to traditional school settings. You can access whiteboards, web page browsers, YouTube video players, and PowerPoint presenters. Web page browsers provide access to virtual textbooks, resources, and a wide range of educational materials. Students are digital natives and will expect education to be flexible and individualized to meet their needs and lifestyle. The classroom of the future might have students from all over the world that have different challenges and expectations. The virtual world provides access to global resources. These are some of the tools needed to create exciting, hands-on, and unique lesson plans in your virtual classroom. PowerPoint presenters provide both teachers and students with a way to present their projects and assignments. The school of the future will be designed with the student in mind. Students will have a great input into what they learn and how they learn. As educators, we must present a wide array of curriculum choices to accommodate the yet to be developed job of the future. Next, we are going to visit the treehouse, which you can use as small classrooms or meeting with teachers, parents, or students. Second Life has a sense of presence which makes just relaxing with friends and colleagues equal to real life. It also provides a personal space for changing your avatar's clothing or a private place to rest in when logging into the virtual world. The upper level is set for an educational game or to meet someone for a quick virtual luncheon meeting. Additional learning games surround the treehouse to give the students the ability to have fun with other students while learning and collaborating with others. Now we are going to the above the clouds classroom where we hold science astrology classes. The students sit on planets, which gives the teacher the opportunity to give an assignment on researching the planets they choose. In addition, the assignment can be used as a cross-curriculum opportunity to create the research writing in the English class. Also, classrooms has a 50 Hubble telescope images which change to show another image when the teacher or student clicks on them. The YouTube players allow the teacher to include science videos to enhance the lessons. The environment can be changed as needed for a new chapter or lesson. One of our geography history classrooms is the antique map skybox with unique sitting on buses and tree limbs. Students seem to enjoy the untraditional classroom setting, which is an important aspect of making education fun. Here, the students can travel back in time and explore history of the past through ancient maps and historical data. Of course, educational tools are provided to enhance the learning process. In addition, When studying map coordinates, the lesson can be expanded into math assignments. The futuristic classroom are examples of how learning can be creative and enjoyable environments. Also, the teacher can include virtual field trips to another unique classroom setting where additional assignments can be conducted. One of these is Genome Island, which we use for biology students. We can teleport around to the different learning settings. This is the tower where the students learn about molecular genetics. The first level, early experiments that show DNA was the molecule that contained genetic information. Each level has pop-up note cards with information about the experiment's lessons for students to experience. These include the double helix model, genetic coding, gene organization of eukaryotes, and more. The tower has 20 levels. Next is a cell platform, which includes lab areas where students can learn from experiments. Some labs contain microscopes, slides, and note cards for students to study. Then they take quizzes about what they have learned. At the top of the obelisk quizzer outside of each classroom, the quizzer presents 4 note cards and the students has to click on one that is correct. If the answer is right, they go on to the next note card. If the answer is wrong, they have to start over and continue until they get the answer correct. Finally, the students can teleport to the giant cell, which their avatar can enter, and click on parts of the cell, which provide the students with note cards that have information on that part of the cell. Once they have received all the note cards about the contents of the cell, they must find the exocytic vessel and click on it to exit the cell. This experience could be used to have students create an example of a cell teleporting to a sandbox, which is a place in Second Life designated for building and creating new objects. This is an interesting and informative way for students to learn about the cell. When the students are finished exploring and completing their lab assignments, they can click on the teleport panel to see images of teleport locations and decide where to go next. This concludes our classroom tour. I hope it sparks lots of ideas on how to create unique virtual classrooms for the future of education.